Good morning. Boy, it's a cold. Let me show you. 30 degrees. Yeah, it's cold. Ooh. Much better than that 100-degree temperatures that's going to be going on in Quartzsite soon, if not already. Don't look back. Just keep moving forward. Yeah, it's probably really getting hot there. We are headed to Texas today, and it's gonna be a long day. I need to do some things in Odessa, so I am gonna go that way and do those, and that might take, well, if I'm going to Odessa, I'm gonna probably eat at Rosa's. So gotta eat at Rosa's, and I have to do something there, so that might take about an hour. So good hour and 45 minutes or so.
You sleep.
You sleepy? Good morning. So we are at this little county park that I said I would never stay at again because they went up on their prices. Yeah, but I was thankful for the electricity last night because it was 40 degrees yesterday. Woke up this morning, it's in the 30s. So yeah, we had heat last night and this morning, so that was nice. There's Deborah and Finn walking. There's Sammy. Come on, Sammy. Come on. You gonna walk? Oh, she says, oh, goodness. Hang on, you're tangled. All right, we made it to, I always call this Town and Country. It's a Stripes. They changed their name like 20 years ago. I don't know. So I didn't really do any filming yesterday. Deborah took pictures of us meeting Rachel, my friend Rachel, but she made us some salsa.
Not Deborah. Deborah didn't make the salsa.
No, Rachel. My friend Rachel Ray, you see her in the comments. I can't lift that up.
Okay.
Wait.
Hold on, I can.
I was like, wait,
I can hold
what's
it up.
this? Homemade salsa. Oop,
Yeah. Yeah.
on my pants. Yeah.
In the truck. And this is what it came in.
Big old jar.
Thank you, Rachel.
I know, it's yummy. Don't spill that big old jar. Got a little breakfast burrito.
Little.
Mm-hmm.
What'd you get? Chorizo?
Mm-hmm.
I got barbacoa.
That barbacoa is pretty good. Chorizo, egg, and bean is what I got. Gotta eat a good breakfast before we go mow.
And I got barbacoa, bean and cheese.
Oh yeah, you got the bean. Alright, look at these tracks. This is a first when I show you. See these tracks? Guess what they are? Here's your first clue. I have some pigs. Oh gosh, they wreaked havoc on the yard. I don't have much mowing to do. The lake is like the lowest I think I've ever seen it. Yeah. Alright, let's go over here. Deborah's like, come look at this. Yeah, they've just been rating. Well, that's where they've been sleeping. They're gonna dig that tree up. Yeah. Need to call the county and say, got some hogs out here you need to do something with. Nice pretty birds. Yeah, they've been all back in here. Dang. Can't mow that. They don't mind just going right through the cactus, do they? Look at all that. They just plow right on through. And all that. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Well, I got it mowed as much as I can get mowed. The wind's gonna start blowing. You know it's not deer and anything else making those ruts. Sorry about that. Was it you? Was it you? Did you dig those holes? No, but you'd like to dig some holes? Okay. And there's Finn. Oh, there's Finn. There's Finster. Yeah, there's the Finster. She'll be right back. So, hopefully, the hogs are gone. Who knows when they were here. Deborah was raking all this. Oops, evidence. Watch where you step. Yeah, and we've got this pretty much leveled. It might not look like it, but best we can get done. We leveled it out. Might let it settle for a little bit and go back and do a little bit more. Oh yeah, I hate me in caps. I am not a cap person, but I have a cap on because my hair is too long and I can't see and the wind's blowing it in my eyes when I was mowing. So I put on a cap. Oh, I'm resting a little bit. Done mowing, I think. There's the wind. And straining my back raking. So I was like, ugh, I gotta stop. I've got to stop. There, we didn't have any hogs last night, so that's all spread out, leveled out best as we can do it. I took out a few trees over here, so this is opening up. I eventually want to open up further down, but I just, when I come, I take a tree out, or cactus, and kind of clean it up real good. But all right, we're heading out. My hair is, oh, my hair. Yeah, I wore a cap yesterday, so it's like all messed up and flat, but hey, it is what it is. We have a 4.5 hour drive today. Finishing up just a little bit right here. It's almost 10 o'clock. That's when I wanted to get out of here, so we should be home by, what'd I say, 4.5 hours. That's Google time, so I'll probably be home around 4:30, I'm thinking. Yeah, by the time we stop and eat, and we're gonna stop specifically and eat somewhere. I always eat there on this trek. Well, not at that one location, but the way we're headed today. So, we are about to hit the road. Travel day. Yeah, I hadn't had a video in, what, 3 days? Today will be 3? No, I did Monday meal plan, didn't I? Tuesday. I didn't do cook with me. Hopefully next week I can do cook with me. And today's Wednesday. So, just 2 days. I don't think I'll get a video out today once I get landed. So, anyway, it'll probably come out on Thursday. So, let's hit the road. Taco Villa. Bean burrito. Guadalajara. Salsa. Diet Coke. Oh, and queso. Chips and queso.